Hey friends, if you wish to clear the DirectX Shader Cache on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. We can do it easily through the disk cleanup tool. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK and then select delete files. Now it will need a while to delete all of these files, and along with it will delete the shader cache. But to be double sure, open disk cleanup once again, select C drive once again and click on cleanup system files. It will start detecting these files. Okay, it will need a while for that. We'll have to wait. And then click on OK, and then check all of these boxes. And then click on OK and then select delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.